Time to talk a little history here about the Dust Bowl heat wave of 1936. We are in the midst of it this week in 1936 of July 10th to the 14th, 105 to 108 degree high temperatures. But when we compare the hottest 3 summers of the most recent decade to the hottest 3 summers of the 1930s, these summers, modern summers, are warmer because of the average of the temperature. The heat is consistent, very much a sign of climate change and global warming. Whereas 1936, we had that string of very hot days, still the records for those dates, but June that year was chilly and August was pretty normal. So that was the distinction between those 1930s summers and the summers that we've been getting in more recent years. Now we've cooled off the atmosphere over the last 24 hours, 4,000 feet up. It was 62 degrees there yesterday, 4,000 feet up this morning, 55 degrees. Not enough though, in terms of the amount of moisture left to create a stable atmosphere. So today, this is looking at weather balloon data. When we put in the forecast temperature, that's the red line, and then the dew points that we have, you get air that will rise up to a pretty high level. So we're going to get clouds to form because there's just enough moisture and we've cooled off the atmosphere just enough. So clouds will fill in here by lunchtime into the afternoon. You'll see those towering cumulus clouds and some pop-up showers and thunderstorms, mainly north and east of the Twin Cities, though the Twin Cities will be right on the edge of some of these. So we're going to watch for that unstable scenario. Marginal risk of severe weather even, level 1 out of 5. This is mainly for some hail and some of those storms and isolated wind gusts that could be over 50, 60 miles an hour. Most of those are going to be under the severe threshold. This is looking at one of our rapid update models, wind gust swath from those storms. And these bright green areas are 40, 45 mile an hour wind gusts out of some of those storms, but most of those again are under the severe threshold. So not a big outbreak of severe weather today, but a couple of rogue storms could be on the little more intense end. Enjoy the lower dew points today and tomorrow. The humid air is coming right back in here, filling in as the next heat wave develops. This is looking at an average of the models. The red dash line is 90 degrees. So we are near normal the next couple days, but then climbing above it as we head into the weekend and next week. Now, when do those 90s start? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. All depends upon where you are. And there are some differences in the models once we head past the next several days. So this is plotting all the different models. You can see the trend is upward. Again, the red dash line is 90 degrees. So we do reach 90 or above at some point over the weekend. But the thing that's going to throw a little wrench into when that all starts is some of the thunderstorms moving in. This is early Friday. Chance of some spotty thunderstorms. Actually, at this point, looking like a decent chance. But we're in a very dry pattern, so kind of a believe it when you see it scenario. We could really use the rain, of course, in the Twin Cities, and the way things are looking right now, fingers crossed we could have at least some more widespread activity around. But that activity will create some cloud debris that could keep us from reaching 90 in the Twin Cities at least on Friday and Saturday. Western Minnesota, southwestern Minnesota, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, probably near that 90 degree mark, but it may be delayed a little bit here in the Twin Cities until we get sunnier skies breaking out. But whether the 90s start Friday or Sunday, it is going to be hot and it's going to be sustained. So maybe enjoy that little delay. It's still going to be pretty warm and humid though.